great journey begins with a question. What if intelligence is not something we create, but something we uncover? What if technology is not separate from nature, but a reflection of its deepest wisdom? This is not just a story. It is a story of intelligence, a story of us.
Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a man I heard of once in a lullaby.
Before machines could think, before codes and circuits, before all that we call technology, there was only nature. Wild, unstoppable, perfect in its chaos, yet governed by invisible rules. The birds in the sky, moving as one. The trees whispering secrets through their roots. The ocean, knowing when to rise and when to rest. Everything connected. Everything learning. Everything evolving. And so, we watched. We watched how the bees worked together, how they shared knowledge, how they built something greater than themselves. And we called it swarm intelligence. We watched how the human mind weaves thoughts like a great web, one idea sparking another, a network of endless connections, and we built neural networks. Creating something new, something artificial, but perhaps we were only continuing what nature had already begun. Nature does not resist change. It becomes change. And so must we. Because if we embrace change today, we will define tomorrow. So, let me ask you again. What if intelligence is not something we create, but something we uncover? What if technology is not separate from nature, but a reflection of its deepest wisdom? Perhaps the real question is not what AI can do, but what we choose to do with it. Welcome to the Microsoft AI Tour Utrecht. Our future is waiting.